To install a golf app on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, we can swipe up on the watch face, and then we should be able to find Play Store quite easily. And of course, we can use it to search for pretty much any golf app that you may want to install. So we can tap on this search button that we have here at the top. Then we can tap on this text field that we have here. And of course, you can use your microphone or you can just switch to the keyboard. It's up to you how you want to enter the text. So let's say I'm just going to switch to the text over here and let's just type golf and then we can search. And there we go, we have a couple of different apps. Of course, it depends on what you're looking for exactly. And if you know the name of the golf app that you want to get specifically, then of course you can just try to type it in here. But besides that, what you can also do is you can use your smartphone that is paired with your Galaxy Watch 9 if you find it easier to install apps. So you can go to the Play Store on your phone. Then in here, we can, let's say, switch to apps. At the top, we can choose other devices, and then you want to make sure that watch is selected. Of course, we can still search for something as well. So if I type golf in here, or you might even see golf for watch. It was available in here before, but now it doesn't want to show up for some reason. There we go. Here is, for example, golf GPS for watch or stuff like that. So if you have for watch option, you can of course use it. If you happen to not choose it, then here at the top we can switch from this device to your Galaxy Watch 9. So you can be certain that you can actually get the list of apps available for your smartwatch. So then you can just choose whichever app you want to get, and then of course you can install it on your smartwatch over here. Now, in case you have this install button, then you might want to tap on this arrow on the right side to make sure that your watch is actually selected. And if you want to install it just on your watch, and if you don't need it on your phone, then of course you can uncheck every other device and just leave your Galaxy Watch 9 selected, and then you can install it over here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.